How to create Uber driver's account. Let's get started. First up, make sure you have already downloaded Uber Driver in your device. If not, you can head towards the App Store or Play Store and download the app. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll land to this kind of page. Now over here you will see the option of continue. Click on it. Now from here you can easily create your account. You can use the phone number or you can continue with Apple or Google ID. For this video, I'm going to use my phone number. First up, click on this drop down and select your country. After you select your country, go ahead and type in your phone number. Once you are done, you can click on continue. Now you will be receiving 4-digit code in your phone number that you have just entered. You have to type in that code over here. After you type in the code, you have to provide some personal details, your name and the address, and with that your account will be created. At the moment, Uber feature is not available in my region, so I'm getting this kind of pop-up. But in the case it is available in your region, you just have to provide your details and your account will be created. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily create your Uber driver's account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.